Well, today we will learn about Clemmenson reduction reaction. So first we will learn what is Clemmenson reduction reaction. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced by amalgamated zinc and concentrated HCl to give corresponding alkanes. That means CO group will be converted to CH2 group in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl. Here is the example. Here is ethanol. Here has one CO group. So in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, CO group will be converted to CH2 group and we will get ethane from ethanol. The second reaction is that here is propanone and here is one CO group. So in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, CO group will be converted to CH2 group. So we will get propane. Here is another example. Here is propanol. So here is also one CO group. So in presence of zinc amalgam and HCl, CO group will be converted to CH2 group. So we will get propane. Okay, now we will go for mechanism. Look at here. Here is the ethanol. So we will get ethane by Clemmenson reduction reaction. As in case of Clemmenson reduction, zinc amalgam is present. So zinc will be converted to zinc 2 plus and it will produce 2 electron. And HCl will be ionized to produce H plus ion and Cl minus ion. As in the case of this reaction, ethanol is present, so CO bond is present. As oxygen is a highly electronegative atom, so oxygen will try to get electron towards itself. So oxygen will be negative charge and carbon will be positive charge. And here has two electrons, they are negative charge. So when oxygen will be negative and carbon will be positive, then this electron will attack this carbon. One electron will reduce this positive charge and one electron create one negative charge here. That's why we will get this negative charge and here also will be a negative charge. And from 2 molecule of HCl we get 2 molecule 2 H plus ion. So this negative charge will attack one of these H plus ion and this negative charge will attack one of this negative charge will attack one of this positive H plus ion and this negative charge will attack one of this positive ion. So we will get here OH and H here, and here also will be H plus available. So this lone pair electron will attack this positive charge and it will be OH2. So here positive charge will be produced, and we know that OH2 always try to leave this position and it will be released as H2O. So we will get H2O here. At the same time we will get, after leaving this electron, we will get a positive charge here. So from the zinc we will get zinc 2 plus ion and 2 electron. So this electron will attack this positive charge. One electron will remove one positive charge and one electron will create one negative charge. So we will get a negative charge here. And as HCl is available in the medium, so this negative charge will attack this positive H plus ion and we will get ethane. And this is the mechanism of Clemmenson reduction reaction.